Tappers, welcome back to our channel. We've been gone for a little bit, but we're back. So we are actually here staying at the Fort Ross Lodge, which is located 2 hours north of San Francisco.
Or 45 minutes north of Bodega Bay.
Yeah, or that.
Yeah.
And we are actually on the coast of the Pacific Ocean, so we do have an ocean view, but we are staying in a king bedroom with an ocean view. It has a fireplace, it has a patio, it also has a hot tub. If you guys ever want to go in a hot tub, it was really nice. We tried it last night. It was really great.
It's really nice.
It is. So let's show you the room. So here's the entryway. So we'll start with the bathroom first. So here's the mirror. Hi everyone. They have a blow dryer. They give you lotion, shampoo, and conditioner in case you forget yours. They have hand soap and hand sanitizer, which is nice. Here's the trash and the toilet. They also have a window here so you can open it. It's really nice outside. And then here is the shower and the tub. It's actually a really deep tub, very deep. So you could take a nice bubble bath if you are interested in that, or if you have kids, they can take a bath in here. But yeah, look at this. It's really nice. It's really big too. And they have some art on the wall. So now we're gonna go into the bedroom. But first, you have like this little, kind of like a little kitchenette. It has a sink. It also has a coffee maker. It has a microwave. They do have a mini fridge right here for drinks and stuff. They do have like silverware, and underneath there they do have some plates and stuff for you if you ever have food or anything. And then this is the room. So they have like this cute little table for you guys to sit. And look at this. Oh, it's so nice. So here's the dressers and the drawers. They actually have a lot of storage right here, so I really love that. They have a really decent sized TV for you to watch TV, and they have a DVD player too, so you can always bring DVDs and watch movies. Then they have just this cute little stand for extra storage kind of up there, and then these are the towels that are for the hot tub. That's ours, so disregard that. So these are cooking tools because they have a grill outside so you can cook and grill, which is nice. And then they have some towels right here, some extra towels. And then located next to that, they have this little storage, just like a little closet. So they have like a robe, a luggage rack, and they have some hangers for you to hang your clothes, and they do have an extra pillow up top. And then they have the king bed. Look at this. So nice. They have 2 nightstands on both sides. And I think that they do have, so they have storage underneath the bed. So if you want to store your luggage there, you have some extra things you need to put under and you don't want it out, you can do that. Here is the fireplace, which is so nice. They actually give you wood, which is really cool. Look at that. It's just so beautiful in here. And they do have windows up there that bring a lot of light into the room, and it just, it's so perfect. All right, Trevor, are you ready to show them the best view of the room?
The whole point of the room.
Yes, it is. Look at this, you guys. Oh, okay, so we're gonna take you outside. It's a bit windy and cold, so bear with me. Oop, if I can get it open. Okay, so here's the patio. They do provide you chairs and everything. There's the grill. And then here's the hot tub. Look at that. Oh, so nice. But look at this. Oh, and they do have like a little table for you to sit outside. But look at this, you guys. Look how beautiful this is. Oh, it's so nice. You're just where the trees are. I love trees. But just so beautiful and so nice. It's so nice. Sorry about the wind, but just look at that view. So this is the best view of the room. And this is, I've heard, is one of the best rooms, right, Trevor? That's what we heard. So very beautiful. We're really happy to be here. All right, you guys, that was our room tour of the king bedroom. We are so happy to be here. It's such a nice room. I did just want to mention really quick that the tub, it does fill up a little bit. It does drain, but you're sitting in a little bit of water, so just, don't be alarmed. It's fine. The dressers, they are a little bit difficult to open, but once you get them open, they're good.
They're tired.
Yeah, they're just tired ones. Yeah, but a lot of storage for sure. We spent the night last night in this room. The bed was very comfy, which you guys know I love a comfy bed. And it wasn't cold. Like because it's very cold, being by the ocean, but it wasn't cold last night. Like I didn't start a fire or anything with the fireplace.
And we are here in April, so.
Yes, we are. Yeah. So it's not like super summer, but I didn't feel like I needed a bunch of blankets either last night to be comfortable.
We had the window open.
Yeah, we did. We had the window open actually last night. They also do have a furnace, so if you get cold, you can turn it on. Well, we hoped you guys enjoyed this room tour. We were really excited to stay here last night, so hopefully, and we would definitely recommend this, by the way. So if you guys really want to come and get away and enjoy a nice ocean view, this is the place to be. So we hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to tap out.